Hi, welcome to Isaac and Andrew's emotion detector. For our final vision project, we have a program that will run, access the webcam, determine whether a face is in the frame and find it, and then determine based on our classification data whether or not the face is happy or sad. So a little bit of how we did it. The way the program works is first, it takes in the training data that we give it. So we went around and took a bunch of pictures of people, frowning and smiling. There's about 60 or 70 in here. Anyway, so we have one for each person, there's one picture of them smiling and one picture of them frowning, and we've labeled them all as such. So they're read into the program, then we crop them and normalize them a little bit, so they all end up black and white and centered around the eyes. So right now, our program supports 4 different classification algorithms. It supports a k-nearest neighbors algorithm, the AdaBoost algorithm, a decision tree, and a support vector machine. In general, we found that the AdaBoost algorithms works pretty much the best, and that's what it's running on right now. So Viola-Jones face detection is used to determine where the picture is, and then an image comparable to these cropped and scaled images is created from this little box around my face. And then a comparison is made, and the classifier is used to determine what the computer thinks my face is. So with that, let's see some examples. You can see as I smile and frown, the label should change. So we've got a pretty happy face, and then a pretty solidly sad face. And if I kind of grin in between, it'll kind of flutter back and forth because it's not quite sure. But as soon as I give it a solid smile, it determines that I'm happy. So next we have Andrew. You can see as he grins, we get definitely a happy face, and as he frowns, we get a pretty solidly sad face. Happy and sad. Yay! Wow. Oops. All right, this is Dan. He's not in our training set, which is great because it works pretty well. So you can see right now he's kind of a little bit happy, but if he gives a nice big grin or a nice big frown, yeah, there's happy and sad. Yeah, very sad. And give a nice big toothy smile. Yeah, there we go.